there is the potential that we could see negative interest rates in the United States, given the amount of money that the Fed is providing to the fixed income markets. But we are seeing a dislocation between the equity markets and the fixed income markets, specifically because of the Fed support of the fixed income markets. Without the Fed supporting the equity markets, we see equities moving to a different drummer than the fixed income markets currently are.
Greg, I want to turn focus to the unemployment rate because we're expecting a shocker today when it comes to the non-farm payrolls. 16% unemployment rate, well and truly up from the 4.4%. Do you think we're getting to the worst of it when it comes to the job losses in the States at this point?
Who would have thought we would have pined for a 770,000 job loss that we saw last month? But you're right. We are going to see a 21 to 22 million number this month. The big surprise would be if it was less than $20 million. And an unemployment rate of 16% at the U3 or traditional unemployment level. You know, the White House, Kevin Haskert, advisor, has already said that we could see an unemployment rate in the United States go to 20% before things get better. I do believe that we are going to see continued losses until we see a resolution to COVID. And when we see a resolution to COVID, either through treatment such as remdesivir or through vaccines like Moderna, there's going to be considerable uncertainty with regard to economic growth potential in the United States. Until we see economic growth potential, we won't see a significant reduction in the unemployment rates. The real question with unemployment is how much is going to be temporary versus how much is going to be permanent. And we've seen surveys coming out of the U.S. that say that up to 52% of small businesses think that they may have to shut down within 6 months. And a U.S. Chamber of Commerce survey says that 25% of small businesses may not reopen. However, we are seeing states start to reopen in the United States right now, and business start to come back in a phase one type transition. If that transition occurs successfully and we start to see employees return to the marketplace, then we could say that we're closer to the bottom than we are to finding a new low.